the door and see if they want to kill each other. Or...
You could not open the screen door,
yeah.
But you probably got it. Yeah.
They're not hitting at each other yet. What do we do? Do you want to try to go outside and pet it? Or do you want to keep Tango at bay and I'll try to go outside and pet it? I mean, you gotta be careful. This thing could have feline leukemia or something.